Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Lee English Studio. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again.
It's wonderful to have you back, Lee. And to all our amazing listeners, thank you for tuning in.
Today, we have a super simple and useful topic for all you beginners out there.
That's right, Lee. We're going to talk about a student's day. You know, school, classes, homework, friends, all the daily things students do.
Exactly. It's a fantastic way to learn basic verbs and vocabulary for everyday life.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to our channel, share this episode with your friends, and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And we love hearing from you. So feel free to leave a comment about your school day or anything you're learning.
All right, Lee. Are you ready to talk about a student's daily routine?
Absolutely, Emma. Let's start with the morning. What does a student usually do in the morning?
Well, the first thing most students do is wake up. Many students wake up early, like 6:30 or 7 o'clock.
Yes, wake up is a very important verb. I used to wake up at 6:45 when I was a student.
After they wake up, students usually get out of bed.
Get out of bed. Another very useful phrase.
Then, many students go to the bathroom. They brush their teeth and wash their face.
Brush my teeth, wash my face. Great daily actions.
After that, students go to the kitchen and usually have breakfast.
Right. Some students make a quick breakfast. For example, I have cereal, or I eat a piece of fruit.
Exactly. After breakfast, students get dressed for school.
Get dressed means put on your clothes. Then they might put on their shoes and put on their backpack.
Yes, and then they leave the house.
Very good. Emma, what's one more thing students do in the morning?
Some students catch the bus. Others walk to school.
Catch the bus. Walk to school. Very common student verbs.
Now let's talk about what students do at school. The first thing is go to class.
Go to class. Simple and useful.
Students usually sit at their desk and listen to the teacher.
Yes, they might also take notes.
Take notes means write important information in a notebook.
Exactly. Students also study different subjects like math, English, science, and history.
Right. And during the day, many students talk with friends between classes.
Talk with friends. Very fun part of school.
Then, around noon, students have lunch.
Have lunch. What do students usually eat?
Some bring lunch from home, like sandwiches. Others buy food at school.
After lunch, students go back to class and continue with their lessons until school finishes.
Yes, and then they pack up their things.
Pack up their things means put books and items into their backpack.
After school, many students go home.
That's right. And some students go to after-school activities like sports or clubs.
Yes, things like soccer practice or art club.
When students get home, they sometimes relax for a bit.
Relax for a bit. Maybe sit on the sofa or watch a short video.
Then comes the big one. Do homework.
Do homework. Yes, the classic student activity.
After homework, it's common for students to have dinner with their family.
Dinner time is nice. Some students talk about their day with their parents or siblings.
After dinner, many students shower, read, or watch something.
Yes, and then before going to bed, they brush their teeth again.
Brush teeth. We repeat it a lot because it's so common.
Finally, students go to bed.
Go to bed, the last verb of the day.
So, to summarize a student's day, we talked about waking up, getting ready, going to school, having lunch, finishing classes, going home, doing homework, having dinner, relaxing, and going to bed.
Yes, we used so many useful everyday verbs. Let's quickly review some of them. Wake up. Get out of bed. Brush teeth. Wash face. Have breakfast. Get dressed. Catch the bus. Walk to school. Go to class. Take notes. Talk with friends. Have lunch. Pack up things. Go home. Do homework. Relax. Have dinner. Go to bed.
That's a fantastic list, Lee. These are all things students do regularly, so learning these phrases is super helpful for beginners.
Absolutely. And remember, you can use these verbs to talk about your school day. Try it. Say your routine in English from morning to night.
And don't worry if you don't know every word yet. Just try your best. You'll learn more step by step.
Exactly. Learning takes time and practice. Be patient and celebrate small progress.
Well, I think we covered a lot about a student's day today. Hopefully, our listeners found this helpful.
I hope so too, Emma. It was fun talking about student life.
To our listeners, thank you so much for joining us today on Mr. Lee English Studio. We really appreciate you.
Yes, thank you. And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe so you don't miss any future lessons.
And share this episode with anyone who is learning English. It helps our channel grow.
We'd also love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below telling us, what time do you wake up for school?
We read your comments and love your messages.
All right, everyone. Keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.